right, this is a trail that I just found last time we came out here, but I hadn't had a chance to ride it all the way to where it like originates from. So our camp spot is just down there. I'm assuming this goes back to like staging by the highway, but I don't know yet. So let's find out. It's a nice trail. Not really that ridden. There's lots of pine needles on it. Whoa. Man, it's awesome. Good flow. Carry some good speed too. Oh, I did blast off that way last time. That's a decent little climb right there. There's one right here too. I think I might give it a go. I didn't go this way. This is awesome. Oh yeah. Okay. This is a good climb, holy shit. Get up this without tearing it up too much here. Oh, I see why that went that way. Like, where would this even go? You gotta like shit hook around that tree. Okay, there it is over there. I should just move this shit. This is awesome. Man, I love finding new stuff. It's so good. All right, let's do a little trail maintenance here. This guy down. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this is the path a lot less traveled. I mean, it started off kind of like run in a little bit, but man, by the time you get up here, it's like maybe one or two guys have been up here in this past summer, maybe, I don't know. It is fresh. All right. Oh no. Yeah, that's a shitty corner. Oh no, that's some shitty clutch work. spin the tire up. Let's leave it nice and fresh looking. Look at it go. Oh, I totally thought it was going up. Oh, yeah. Get off my trail. This is gnarly. Ryan would love this shit. Oh my goodness. This is good. This is real good. Oh man, right over to another trail. Oh. Oh man, that was sick. Man, this is good stuff. It's just going up. We're just going up. I love going up. Missed that shift. Woo! I can't believe this is right outside my camp. This is too good. Too good. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. Sorry guys, I'm just hyped. Oh man, my ears are popping. That's how much elevation we got.